You know that feeling, you're ready to fly, but then you see the security line. For years, TSA PreCheck has been the travel hack, but big changes are coming in 2026. PreCheck is getting a major overhaul, new rules, new tech, and some changes that could even get your benefits canceled if you're not careful. Today, I'll break down the 10 biggest changes, what's great, what's tricky, and what you need to do to keep breezing through security. First up, biometric verification. This is the next big leap in airport security, and it's already starting to change the way we travel. Instead of fumbling for your boarding pass or digging through your bag for your ID, your face will soon be all you need to get through security. Imagine walking up to a checkpoint, glancing at a camera, and being instantly recognized. No more paperwork, no more stress. By 2026, most pre-check lanes will use facial recognition. The TSA is rolling out this technology across the country, aiming to make the security process faster, more secure, and less reliant on physical documents. Airports are investing in new kiosks and cameras, and you'll start seeing more signs for biometric screening at major terminals. Instead of showing your ID, you'll look at a camera. The system will quickly scan your face and compare it to the photo on file from your passport or state ID. It's a seamless process that takes just a few seconds, and you don't even have to touch anything. The system matches your face to your passport or state ID photo in seconds. Advanced algorithms analyze dozens of facial features, making sure it's really you. This technology is designed to be both accurate and fast, reducing wait times and making lines move more smoothly. If it can't match you, maybe you changed your look, grew a beard, or got a new hairstyle, you'll get a manual check, just like before. TSA agents are still there to help, and you won't be turned away if the system doesn't recognize you. It's a safety net to make sure everyone gets through, even if the tech has trouble. You can opt out, but you'll be sent to a slower, manual lane. For those who aren't comfortable with facial recognition, the traditional process is still available. But be prepared. It might take longer, especially as more people choose the faster biometric option. The system is designed to make biometrics the easy choice. It's quick, convenient, and reduces the hassle of digging for documents. For frequent travelers, it could mean shaving precious minutes off every trip. As this tech spreads, manual checks will get rarer and slower. The more people use facial recognition, the more efficient the process becomes. Eventually, manual lanes may be reserved for special cases or those who specifically request them. For now, you have a choice, but the future is clearly biometric. Airports and airlines are betting big on this technology, and it's likely to become the standard way we move through security in just a few years. The new process is so smooth, the old way will feel like a hassle. As more travelers experience the speed and simplicity of biometrics, waiting in a long manual line will seem outdated and inconvenient. So get ready for your close-up. Your face is about to become your ticket to a faster, easier airport experience. Let's talk about the future of identification, digital IDs. The way we prove who we are is changing fast, and your smartphone is at the center of it all. Imagine a world where you don't have to dig through your wallet for a plastic card every time you need to show ID. Instead, your phone becomes your new, all-in-one identification tool, ready whenever you need it. The classic plastic driver's license, which has been a staple in our wallets for decades, is slowly being phased out. As technology advances, the need for physical cards is fading, making way for more convenient and secure digital alternatives. Starting May 7, 2025, new federal rules kick in. To board a domestic flight in the US, you'll need a real ID-compliant license, a valid passport, or an approved digital ID. If your ID doesn't meet these requirements, you won't make it past security. This is a big shift, and it's important to be prepared. Many states are now rolling out mobile driver's licenses, or MDLs, that you can add directly to your phone's digital wallet. These digital IDs are being accepted at more and more TSA checkpoints, making travel smoother and faster. The technology is spreading quickly, but not every state is on board yet, so check if yours is participating. The vision is simple. Tap your phone, scan your face, and breeze through security. No need to fumble for a wallet or worry about losing your ID. With just your phone, you'll be able to prove your identity in seconds, making the airport experience less stressful and more efficient. Digital IDs use advanced security features like strong encryption and biometric authentication. Think face or fingerprint scans. These technologies make digital IDs much harder to steal or fake compared to traditional cards. Your personal information is protected, and only you can unlock your digital ID. But here's the catch. Not every airport or state is ready for digital IDs just yet. Some places still require a physical card, and technology rollouts can take time. For now, it's smart to carry both your phone and your physical ID, just in case you run into a checkpoint that isn't set up for digital verification. If you show up at the airport without a compliant ID, whether digital or physical, you could face long, stressful secondary screenings, or even be denied boarding altogether. It's a hassle no one wants to deal with, especially when you're trying to catch a flight. So, before you travel, check your state's DMV website or app to see what IDs are accepted and whether digital options are available. Staying informed will help you avoid surprises and make your next trip through airport security as smooth as possible. The pre-check renewal grace period is history. When your known traveler number expires, your benefits stop immediately. No more "oops, I forgot" forgiveness. You'll be sent to the regular line. With 5-year cycles, it's easy to lose track, so check your expiration date now. Set a calendar reminder months in advance to renew. Treat your KTN like your passport. Don't let it expire. The responsibility is on you. Stay ahead. Avoid the headache. Security scanners are getting a major upgrade. CT scanners are coming to all lanes. With these, you can leave laptops and liquids in your bag. It's a huge time saver, but there's a catch: don't overpack. Dense, cluttered bags confuse the scanner and trigger manual searches, slowing you down. The new Rule Pack Neat: use packing cubes, and don't cram. Overstuffed bags are now a liability, not a flex. The tech is better, but it needs your cooperation. Pack smart, not just full. Random checks are getting more common and more thorough. Instead of a quick swab, you might get the full screening shoes off, laptops out, even in pre-check. It's about unpredictability, keeping the system secure. Yes, it's frustrating, but it's not a punishment. Even if you're selected, you'll stay in the pre-check lane, still faster than the regular line. 95% of the time you'll breeze through. Just be ready for the occasional slowdown. It's part of the deal. Expect it, don't sweat it. Good news for families. Kids up to 17 can now go through pre-check with a parent. No more splitting up or leaving teens in the regular line. The pre-check indicator will print on your teen's boarding pass automatically. This makes family travel way less stressful. It matches what other travel programs do. Finally, pre-check is now a better value for parents with teens. If you've been holding off because of older kids, now's the time to sign up. Here's the international game changer. TSA PreCheck perks are expanding beyond the borders of the United States, opening up a whole new world of convenience for frequent flyers and global adventurers alike. For years, PreCheck has been the go-to for breezing through security at home. But now, the benefits are crossing oceans and continents. Soon, your known traveler number, commonly called your KTN, will be recognized at select partner airports overseas. That means, when you're returning from a trip abroad, you'll be able to access expedited security lanes just like you do in the US. No more fumbling for extra paperwork or wondering if your trusted traveler status means anything outside America. Imagine landing in London, Tokyo, or Frankfurt, and skipping those notoriously long security lines. Instead, you'll glide through a dedicated fast lane, saving precious time and avoiding the stress that comes with crowded terminals. This perk is designed to make your journey home smoother and more predictable, even when you're far from US soil. While it's not technically the exact same pre-check process you know from US airports, it's a very similar trusted traveler experience. You'll see special logos on your boarding pass and may even use advanced biometric gates, all designed to get you through security faster and with less hassle. The list of international partner airports is expanding rapidly, with new locations being added every few months. From major European hubs to key Asian gateways, more and more airports are joining the program. Before you fly, check the latest list to see if your destination is included, so you can plan ahead and take full advantage of this new benefit. With PreCheck going global, your membership is now more valuable than ever. It's no longer just a domestic perk, it's a worldwide asset that can transform your travel experience, making every trip smoother from start to finish. This update can save you hours at some of the world's busiest airports, giving you more time to relax, shop, or enjoy a meal before your flight. Instead of waiting in line, you could be unwinding in a lounge or exploring the terminal. It's truly one of the most exciting updates to the PreCheck program in years, and it's set to change the way Americans travel internationally. Get ready to experience a new level of convenience wherever your passport takes you. With more perks comes more scrutiny. Background checks are getting tougher, the list of disqualifying offenses is expanding, and the look-back period is longer. TSA and the FBI are digging deeper into criminal, immigration, and customs records. Even minor past issues could now delay or deny your application or renewal. Be honest on your application. Renewals get the same deep check. The goal: keep the trusted traveler pool as low risk as possible. For most, this won't matter, but if you have a record, be aware. Some good news. TSA is rolling out instant eligibility for many applicants. If your background is clean and easy to verify, you could get your known traveler number within hours. You might walk out of your enrollment appointment and have your KTN in your inbox the same day. No more weeks of anxious waiting. This makes signing up way more appealing. If your case is complex, you'll still wait, but most will get approved fast. It's a win-win. Faster for you, and for everyone else in line. Finally, a true convenience. Your known traveler number will soon sync automatically with your airline loyalty accounts. No more digging up your KTN or forgetting to add it when you book. Once linked, your KTN will be applied to every booking you make while logged in. It's a set it and forget it solution. No more human error, just seamless pre-check every time. Major airlines are rolling this out now. By 2026 it'll be standard. It's the final piece for a frictionless pre-check experience. That's it, 10 big changes coming to TSA PreCheck. It's a mix of convenience upgrades and new rules you can't ignore. The system is faster and smarter, but it demands more from travelers. The digital global direction is the right move, even if the transition is bumpy. What do you think? Are these changes helpful or just more hassle? Let me know in the comments. Want more tips? Check out my videos on global entry and credit card pre-check perks. Thanks for watching.